Creating driftwood art is a fascinating journey that intertwines creativity, craftsmanship, and the beauty of nature. Driftwood, with its unique shapes and textures, serves as a testament to the power of joinery, showcasing how simple techniques can yield stunning results. The allure of driftwood lies not only in its aesthetic appeal but also in its narrative, the journey it has taken through rivers, lakes, and oceans, weathering the elements over time. For craftsmen looking to create captivating pieces, understanding the visibility of joinery techniques is essential, as it can enhance both the strength and beauty of the final artwork. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of driftwood art ideas by simple techniques for stunning results. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The first step in crafting driftwood art is sourcing the materials. Driftwood can be found along shores, riverbanks, and lakesides, often washed ashore by the tides. Each piece carries its own character, shaped by its environment. As artisans gather these natural materials, they should take time to appreciate the unique contours, colors, and textures that make each piece special. This connection to the material is crucial, as it informs the design and execution of the artwork. The organic forms of driftwood can inspire various artistic expressions, from sculptures to functional items, making it an incredibly versatile medium. Once the driftwood is collected, the next phase involves envisioning the final piece. This is where joinery techniques come into play. The visibility of joinery is not merely about how the pieces fit together. It's about enhancing the overall design while maintaining the integrity of the wood. Simple joinery methods, such as overlapping or interlocking pieces, can create strong connections that are both functional and visually appealing. These techniques allow the craftsmanship to shine through, as the joints become part of the art rather than hidden behind fasteners or adhesives. One of the most compelling aspects of driftwood art is the ability to showcase the natural beauty of the wood. By choosing to highlight the joinery, artisans can create a seamless blend between nature and craftsmanship. For example, using a lap joint to connect two pieces of driftwood can create a smooth transition that emphasizes the organic lines of the wood. This technique not only provides strength, but also draws the eye to the natural features of the material. The result is a piece that feels cohesive, where every element works in harmony to tell a story. Another effective technique is the use of mortise and tenon joints, which have been utilized in woodworking for centuries. In the context of driftwood art, this method can be adapted to accommodate the irregular shapes of the wood. By carefully shaping the tenon to fit into the mortise, artisans can create a strong, visible joint that adds character to the piece. This method allows the craftsmanship to be appreciated, as the joints become focal points that enhance the overall aesthetic. The contrast between the smooth, fitted joints and the rough textures of the driftwood creates a dynamic interplay that captivates viewers. In addition to traditional joinery techniques, craftsmen can explore innovative methods to secure driftwood pieces together. For instance, using natural twine or wire can introduce an element of texture while maintaining a rustic feel. This approach not only reinforces the structural integrity of the artwork, but also allows for flexibility in design. The visibility of these connections can add to the overall charm of the piece, emphasizing the handmade quality that is so integral to driftwood art. The use of organic materials for securing joints enhances the natural theme, creating a cohesive look that resonates with the viewer. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The visibility of joinery also extends to the finishing touches of the artwork. A well-applied finish can enhance the natural beauty of the wood while protecting it from the elements. When artisans choose to leave the joints visible, they can accentuate the craftsmanship involved in creating the piece. A clear varnish or oil can amplify the grain patterns and colors of the driftwood, drawing attention to the intricacies of the joinery. This careful attention to finishing can transform a simple piece into a stunning work of art that celebrates both the material and the skill of the craftsman. Moreover, the process of creating driftwood art is deeply personal and reflective. As artisans work with each piece, they engage in a dialogue with the material, considering the shape, texture, and potential of every fragment. This connection informs their choices, leading to designs that are not only visually striking but also imbued with meaning. The visibility of the joinery becomes a testament to this relationship, showcasing the care and thoughtfulness that goes into each creation. It tells a story of craftsmanship, patience, and an appreciation for nature's artistry. As artisans continue to refine their techniques, they may find that the visibility of joinery can lead to unexpected discoveries. By experimenting with different configurations and joinery methods, they can unlock new possibilities for their driftwood art. This exploration fosters creativity and innovation, encouraging craftsmen to push the boundaries of traditional techniques. The more they engage with a material, the more they learn about its characteristics and how to manipulate it effectively. This journey of discovery is rewarding as the finished product itself, as it deepens the craftsman's understanding of their medium. In the realm of driftwood art, the visibility of joinery serves as an invitation for viewers to appreciate the artistry involved in each piece. When joints are thoughtfully designed and executed, they become integral to the overall composition. Artisans can use joinery to guide the viewer's eye, drawing attention to specific features or creating a sense of movement within the piece. This intentionality in design enhances the viewer's experience, inviting them to engage with the artwork on a deeper level. The appreciation for visible joinery also resonates with the growing trend towards transparency in craftsmanship. In an age where mass production often prioritizes efficiency over artistry, there is a renewed interest in handmade items that celebrate the skill and effort of the maker. Driftwood art, with its emphasis on natural materials and visible joinery, aligns perfectly with this ethos. Each piece becomes a celebration of individuality, highlighting the unique qualities of the wood and the craftsmanship involved in its creation. As artisans continue to explore the potential of driftwood, the visibility of joinery remains a central theme. It serves as a reminder of the importance of craftsmanship in a world increasingly dominated by technology and mass production. By embracing simple techniques that showcase the beauty of the material and the skill of the maker, driftwood art becomes a powerful expression of creativity and individuality. Creating driftwood art is not just about the final product. It is about the journey of discovery and the relationship forged with the materials. The visibility of joinery acts as a testament to this process, capturing the essence of craftsmanship in every piece. Each joint tells a story of patience, skill, and a deep appreciation for the beauty of nature. As artisans continue to experiment and innovate, the world of driftwood art will undoubtedly evolve, but the fundamental principles of craftsmanship and the visibility of joinery will remain at its core. This commitment to quality and creativity ensures that driftwood art will continue to captivate and inspire for generations to come, celebrating the enduring connection between nature and the art of woodworking. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked driftwood art ideas by simple techniques for stunning results. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.